Hello guys, Pasquale is here from Repalo, the best workshop for engineering, upgrades and rebuildings of used demolition top tools. Today is a cloudy day, but still we have our sunshine. This amazing NPK GH12, 2,600 kilos. Perfect. Amazing, like new, only one owner, less than 100 working hours, with automatic location units, bracket and tool. This breaker has been traded in recently, only one previous owner, always well kept and stored in the right position. We have just tested before to go ahead with the rebuildings. Have a look at the working test. This breaker is really amazing. There are no words. This breaker is like new. You are going to take one of the best quality brands in demolition industry. Give me a call, because we still have already 100 customers chasing for this kind of attachments. NPK is one of the most reliable brands in the industry, and this unit, this model, is the one of the best breakers built by NPK since the foundation of the Japanese company. Give me a call today. Don't let the time go, because you are going to make a great deal. Do it today, do it immediately. Give me a call. You are looking your next quality attachments in your yard. Give me a call today. Thanks for watching Repalo. Keep following us.